Good morning. I'd like to talk about tyres on the Kaabo Mantis Pro. Currently I have the standard tyres and I'm looking to upgrade to the wider 3-inch. I haven't quite got around to doing it yet, but hopefully soon. I'll just show you a little bit closer, and I'll do a quick comparison with the existing tyres. You can see it's a lot wider. Inside the tyres, I've been, or in the tubes I should say, I've been using sealant, auto sealant, which is, this one's Joe's No Flats. I did try another brand, Decathlon brand, and that didn't really work out very well at all. I had a puncture and it didn't seal it, so I've yet to have a puncture with this one, but hopefully this one's okay. The other thing I've got is tyre pressure monitoring system, and it shows front and back, and currently it's the tyres are a smidge under 40 psi, but as soon as I start rolling, then that increases. And there's one on the back, which is there, and on the front it's there. So you can see that sends up, and it's activated by just touching the bike, and very sensitive, and it lights up the display and shows the information, and then continues until it powers down. It's this, which is a lithium ion battery operated pump. I have got a compressor, but it's quite bulky and you've got to plug it in, and it's heavy, whereas this, you just turn it on, set the PSI on the display. It defaults obviously to 0, but it remembers the last pressure I used. In this case it's 55. I like putting the pressure up slightly more than the standard 45, and when I take the valve off, or this off, the connecting hose off, I lose a few pounds, and then I just use a digital gauge to check that I'm near enough spot on to 40 to 45. So that was a very short video on the tyres.